Best drones under $500 complete review. When it comes to buying a drone, there are things you need to consider like the price, the camera quality, how long the battery lasts, and more. With plenty of different features, one drone may work for you, while another may not. That is why I reviewed the 5 best drones for under $500 based on things like performance, price tag, camera quality and what features they come with. By the end of this video, you'll be one step closer to picking out which drone is perfect for you. We have compiled a list of top 5 best drones under $500 for you. 1. DJI Spark Portable Mini Drone, Quadcopter, perfect all-around drone. DJI is a well-known company in the world of drones. Their Spark is a favorite among many flyers. Not only is this drone compact but the integrated camera is incredibly stable, giving you 1080p HD video and 12MP photographs. It can fly up to 31 miles per hour and the battery will last you around 16 minutes. The shots you'll get out of this drone are professional quality and great for film enthusiasts. There is also a GPS feature so you don't have to worry about losing the drone whether you fly it indoors or outdoors. There are several flight modes and DJI's famous 3D obstacle detection, keeping it safe from crashing into something. Key features. Several flight modes which are perfect for beginners and expert drone users alike. 3D obstacle detection keeps your drone safe. 1080p HD camera for taking high-quality photos and videos. Worry-free flight, the drone returns to its starting place when you hit the return to home button, the connection is lost, or the battery gets too low. Pros, 3D obstacle detection keeps the drone from flying into objects. GPS feature allows you to know where your drone is. It can fly up to a speed of 31 miles per hour. It's compact and travels easily. The camera is HD. Battery life lasts for 16 minutes. Cons, users report the bag you get when purchasing the bundle isn't of great quality. To check latest price on Amazon, click the link in description below. 2. DJI Phantom Aerial UAV Drone Quadcopter for GoPro, ready-to-fly drone. Whether you're using this to make a short film, capture sports footage, or for your road trip adventure, this is a great drone. DJI is back at it again with making high-quality products. This is a drone quadcopter for your GoPro camera. The camera is not included in the price tag of this unit. It's easy to fly and control and has a slick design. It's simple to add on your GoPro camera to the mount underneath the drone. There are lights on the legs, making it easy to see the drone while flying at night. The transmitter has a communication length of nearly 1,000 feet and the battery lasts around 15 minutes with one charge. Key features. Long transmitter communication allows you to fly far. Battery life of 15 minutes. Simple design. Fits all GoPros. Ready-to-fly design for no binding or complex turning. Pros, easy to fly and control with the NASA M autopilot system. With the fail-safe function, you can safely fly your drone outdoors. Has lights on the bottom of the legs so you can easily see the drone when it is dark. Cons, camera not included. 3. Holy Stone GPS FPV RC Drone HS100 The Impossible to Lose Drone. Holy Stone has another drone coming in at the 3rd spot on our list with their GPS FPV RC drone. It's in the name for a reason. This drone has a GPS that prevents you from losing the drone and can help you to find the perfect area to shoot. If you lose the signal of it, the drone will automatically fly back to you. This also happens when the battery is running low. It's equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that can be adjusted up to 90 degrees so you're able to see everything you want while recording. It's easy to control with a holding function that keeps the drone from flying any higher or lower. One of the best features is Holy Stone's Follow Me feature. This lets the drone follow you while you're walking. This can come in handy when you're trying to film yourself from above. There is one key takeoff and landing button, and you can easily see what you're filming from your phone screen with their app. Key features. 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera provides high-quality video and photos. Follow Me feature allows the drone to follow you. GPS mode makes it easy to keep track of drone or find a great spot to shoot. The drone returns to you if the battery is low. Pros: Follow Me feature easily lets you film yourself. GPS function keeps the drone from getting lost. The drone will return to you if it loses signal or if the battery is low. High-quality camera at 1080p HD. Holding function keeps the drone at a set height. The battery lasts about 15 minutes. Cons: Some users report a loss in GPS signal during GPS flight mode. Some users report difficulty in removing the battery from the drone. 4. Holy Stone HS700 FPV drone, the Quietest drone. The second Holy Stone drone we have on our list is their HS700 model. This drone starts easily with the push of a button and is practically impossible to lose with the GPS Follow Me feature. This keeps the drone from getting lost but also allows the drone to follow you as you walk. This drone will always fly back to the point it took off from or will also return if you're out of range or is low on battery. You can map out a flight path on the app, which is unique to this drone. The battery on this drone should last you about 20 minutes and is quick to charge. It has a 1500 kV brushless motor, making the drone powerful while remaining quiet. It's easy to set up and doesn't require any tools. Key features: brushless motor gives it extra power and better performance overall. Follow Me feature lets you easily film yourself and surroundings. Customizable flight path on the app. The battery lasts about 20 minutes per charge. Pros: 1 Start push button to easily start and fly. Follow Me feature is great for filming yourself while doing all kinds of cool activities. The drone returns to the takeoff point every time. The battery is long-lasting at approximately 20 minutes. You can map out a flight path prior to flying. Quiet and powerful brushless motor. Cons: Some users report the SD card as difficult to remove. 5. DROCON Bugs 3 Powerful Brushless Motor Quadcopter Drone, the Professional's Drone. The next drone we have on our list is the DROCON Bugs 3. This drone has a brushless motor that keeps it powerful and long-lasting. Though it's made of plastic, you're still able to fly the drone in high winds, which is something very few drones are able to do. The battery will last 15 to 20 minutes per charge, depending on how high or fast you're flying. There are 2 different speeds, which is a great feature if you're a beginner and looking to learn. This drone is customizable and can perform things like flips, dives, and other impression maneuvers. This drone can carry some of the best 4K cameras on the market. The camera is not included with the drone. There are also LED lights, making it great for day or night use. Key features: LED lights for anytime filming. Brushless motor makes it a durable drone. Can fly in and against high wind conditions. The drone performs a number of tricks and maneuvers. Pros: brushless motor for a lot of power and better overall performance. Can fly in and against the wind. The battery lasts longer than most other drones at between 15 and 20 minutes of flight time. 2 different speed options available. LED lights for day or night filming. Cons: does not include a camera. No altitude hold feature. To check latest price on Amazon, click the link in the description below. Subscribe Unbiased Reviews Lounge. Thanks for watching.